Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your Coinbase account. Follow these steps to enable it quickly and easily. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Visit the Coinbase website or open the app and log in using your credentials. Ensure you are on the correct account before proceeding. Step 2. Access security settings. Once logged in, navigate to the settings menu. Look for the security tab, which is usually found in the account settings section. Step 3. Select two-factor authentication. In the security settings, find the option for two-factor authentication. Click on it to begin the setup process. Step 4. Choose your 2FA method. You will typically have the option to receive codes via SMS or use an authentication app. Select your preferred method and follow the prompts to link it to your account. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After setting up your chosen 2FA method, you will receive a verification code. Enter this code to confirm the setup and save your changes. By following these steps, you can successfully enable two-factor authentication on your Coinbase account, enhancing your security. Always remember to keep your authentication method secure.